Archaeology and what we will learn from Aduvaigar and Machu Picchu. 1. The word archaeology often makes people think of Indiana Jones movies, ancient temples, and adventure, while red light archaeology isn't as fast-paced and entertaining. It is exciting and useful, and it can help us answer some of the most important questions about our origins. 2. In some ways, an archaeologist's work is similar to that of a historian, a person who studies a write about history. They both want to learn about the past, but while historians look at writing, evidence, letters, books, journals, archaeologists study physical evidence. The physical evidence includes artifacts, remains of buildings, and lands that have been affected by people. Because of this, historians are limited to studying times and for their written evidence. Archaeologists, on the other hand, can study time much earlier than this, even going back to the earliest human. 3. To better understand the value of archaeology, let's look at two famous archaeology discoveries. The first of these is Aduvaigar, archaeological and paleoanthropological, the study of evolution through fossils. Research done here by Mary and Louis Leakey in the 1950s and 1960s taught us some important lessons about the story of our evolution. The Leakeys discovered school and hand fossils in an area where they were digging up ancient stone tools that shows that the human life fossils were around 1.8 million years old. The shape of the points and teeth led Louis Leakey to the conclusion that they were of a different species from our own Homo sapiens, i.e. modern humans. The newly discovered early human species were named Homo habilis. This discovery has become important for our understanding of how modern humans evolved. 4. The second example is the discovery of Machu Picchu in Peru. This citadel, located high in the Andes Mountains, was built around 1450 and is a great work of Inca architecture. The Inca led the site in the 1570s. Some believe they led because of Spanish invasion of the Americas. The site was gradually covered by jungle and were hidden to all but a few local people until its rediscovery. In the early 12th century, the university professor Hiram Bingham led a project to clear away the jungle growth and uncover the site. From the work at Machu Picchu, we know that the Inca were advanced engineers who used complex construction techniques in their stone buildings. The bronze along mixed metal granite were also found at Machu Picchu, showing us that the Inca had developed highly advanced metal making technology too. 5. These are just two of many examples of how Archaeology has given us amazing lessons by we can understand smart insect. It is an important field of study that we will continue to learn from.